In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use online forms to trigger Zapier automations, streamlining your workflows and saving you time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up forms that trigger actions in Zapier, making your processes faster and more efficient. Stick around because I'll also be sharing a free trial for the software we'll use, exclusively for my channel viewers. So let's get into it. If you've ever wanted to automate tasks, like sending emails, adding contacts to your CRM, or even creating to-do lists based on form submissions, you're in the right place. Here's how it's done. First, choose the online form software you want to use. The software we're using today works well for integrating with Zapier, and it allows you to easily create custom forms. Once you have your form set up, whether it's a contact form, survey, or registration form, let's move on to connecting it to Zapier. Open your Zapier account and click on Create Zap. You'll start by selecting the app that triggers the action. In this case, choose your online form software as the trigger app. For example, if you're using Typeform, Google Forms, or any other supported software, select that here. Zapier will ask you to connect your form account. This is a simple process where you authenticate your account to allow Zapier access. Once connected, you'll choose the specific trigger event. This might be new submission or form completed, depending on the form software. After selecting the trigger, Zapier will guide you through a few steps to test and ensure it's working properly. This step is crucial to ensure Zapier is correctly pulling data from your form when it's submitted. Now, let's move on to the action step. Choose what you want to happen next in Zapier. For example, if you want new form submissions to automatically create a new lead in your CRM, you'll select your CRM app as the action. Zapier will then ask you to set up the specific action, like creating a new contact or sending a follow-up email. You can customize it as needed, making this automation tailored to your specific needs. Once you've set up your action, test it to make sure everything is firing correctly. If it's working, you can go ahead and turn on your Zap. From here on out, every time someone submits your online form, it will trigger the automation you set up in Zapier, saving you tons of time and effort. Key takeaway: using online forms to trigger Zapier automations is an excellent way to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your workflow. By connecting your form software to Zapier, you can automate actions like sending emails, creating leads, or updating spreadsheets. It's a simple setup that has a huge impact on productivity. To recap, choose your online form software, connect it to Zapier, set up your trigger and action, test it, and then automate. And remember, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in this tutorial, available in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the link in the description to try it out for yourself.